Yo guys, welcome back to another video. So we just got into a new month and the previous monthly time frame candle has closed, which we just started getting a new monthly time frame candle formation. So how this monthly time frame candle forms depends on the previous candle formation and the previous candles, the previous monthly time frame candles. This implies to every other markets, the forex markets, the crypto markets, the stock markets. The monthly time frame candles in all these markets has closed and a new candle formation would follow up. So what do we expect of the market this new month on this index? So here in today's video, I want us to have a monthly time frame analysis, a higher time frame basically. We'll be analyzing the monthly time frame, the weekly time frame, the daily time frame, the 4-hour down to a lower time frame to identify our possible trade opportunity in the market. So on the monthly time frame on cash 500 index, we can see that the market is in a downtrend. This is the market direction, very much clear. This index is on a downtrend. So if you are to be asked the market trend, the market phase on crash 500 index, you can be able to tell that the market is on a bearish phase. The market is on a downtrend, creating lower highs and lower lows formation. So how did the previous monthly time frame candle close? When we zoom into the chart, we can see that we got this formation. This is a pin bar formation. Regardless of this candle being a green candle, this was the last monthly time frame candle. When we point our cursor on it, you can see it started forming on the 1st of August and it has closed, which the new candle has started, which is today, 1st of September. And this was the last two previous candles, 1st of July, 1st of June. On this time frame, each and every candle takes 1 month to form. That's 4 weeks. So after 4 weeks, the candle closes and a new candle opens. So the formation of the new candle depends on the previous candle formation, how the previous candle closed. Adding that the market is on a downtrend, so it explains a lot about the new formation, what we expect of the market this new month on crash 500 index. So I expect a bearish continuation basically, because we got a pin bar formation here. This last candle closed in a bearish form, and checking the last pin bar we got, the next candle that followed up was a bearish candle, which we can see here. This was the last pin bar candle that the market created, and a red candle followed up. You can see here as well, the last pin bar, what followed up was a red candle. So I expect this new month to be a bearish month on crash 500 index. So I'll be looking for sell opportunities. I'll be focused on the sell side of the market on this index. So right now, I expect sell move on this index. When we go to the weekly time frame, we can see that we've got some important levels which the market has created. Same price, buy on this level as a support, resistance here. The sells, there was a break and retest. The buys here, support here for the break and retest as a resistance. So I expect this index to drop. Over the last weekly time frame candle closed in a bearish formation, a pin bar, which means that we have sell expectations on this index. So I'm looking out for sell opportunity basically on crash 500 index. So the question is, where are we going to sell? Where is the perfect place and zone to sell on the chart, and when are we going to sell? There's two main questions we ask before taking a trade. Is the first the two main questions we ask before taking a trade. The two questions we should ask ourselves before we take a trade is, where are we going to buy or sell, and when are we going to buy or sell? If you have the answers to these questions, then you're on the right track. So I expect the sells from this level, at least for price to sell to this zone. We have an order block formation here on the weekly time frame. So I expect the drop to this level basically. I expect the drop to this zone on crash 500 index. So the market is on a downtrend, creating lower highs and lower lows formation. And they said that if the market is on a downtrend, we should look out for sell opportunities. We should focus on the sell side of the market. So I expect the sell move on this index, having that the market is on a downtrend and price just broke below a level, a strong level basically. We'll say this is a key level because we've got both the buy and sell reaction on this zone. We have another higher level at this point, which you can see price. We expect support, resistance here. So I expect the drop to the downside. This new week is likely to be a bearish week on crash 500 index. And coming to the daily time frame, we can see everything is aligning. The market structure is still bearish. Same price, create series of lower highs formation. The first high at this point, second high that flowed up, a lower high, and the last high which the market is creating right now, a lower high. So what is expected is for the market to drop to the downside, creating a new low. right? Because we've got only two lows and three lower highs, getting the first low here and the second low a lower low. So I expect the market to come create a new lower low at this point, and the creation of that new lower low, they move to this level, this other block level. So they drop to that level for the buy move is expected for before you get a bullish reversal basically. So I'm looking at for sell opportunities on crash 500 index in the coming days and weeks. This week and the next 2-3 weeks is likely to be a bearish week on this index. And looking at this formation, the market is creating a bearish reversal pattern formation, which is the head and shoulders pattern formation, getting the left shoulder there, the head at this point, and the right shoulder which has formed. So the break of this neckline, we get the massive sells to the downside on crash 500 index. So coming to the 4-hour time frame, we got a formation, an interesting formation, which I expect price to sell to buy to, sorry, before the sells. This my sell level basically, the move to the upside, then we see market drop to the downside. We expect the sells from that zone to the downside. And looking at this level, we have a formation, a strong level of support. We just got broken. Same price, buy on this level as a support the first time. Second buy is here as a support, and the third buy at this point as a support. So on the fourth test of this level, price failed to give a neat buy on that zone. I just expect a push to this level, then the drop to the downside, and confirming this sell zone. I'll be using the Fibonacci retracement too because the market is on a downtrend. So we're matching it up from the swing highs to the swing lows, and we can see that the 50.0 fib level is in line with our sell zone. So price pushing up to this level, I expect this as I'm looking to selling this index from this point, and I'll be having my stop loss level at this zone. My stop loss level would be here, right on this is 1.8 fib level. My sell entry point is on the 50.0 level, which we got here, and my stop loss level would be on this is 1.8 level. Long-term sells is expected on this index if price is to get to this zone and get our sell order triggered, because I'll be setting a limit order, I'll be setting a sell limit order at this point. So if we can get our sell limit order triggered, then the drop to the downside, the sells, the expected massive sells on crash 500 index. So that's this, guys. That's my view and analysis on this index. That's what I expect of the market. So if I'm to take this trade, I would update you guys. I would give you guys an update on the result of this trade. So for more market breakdowns and market analysis, go to smash the like button and drop a good comment on this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new to the channel, and to my internal viewers, I appreciate your support. Please engaging in my videos. It really means a lot, guys. Let's do more and do have a wonderful day. Peace.